What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna use this brown Paracord 550 and this beige Paracord also 550. This is the longer cords and here I have the 3 separate shorter cords. The total length for these cords are down below this video in the video description. Also there you can find the link to the Instagram profile of the designer of this project. The original design, Bane scarf done by Dman Mcq, I hope I get it right, and the modification we're gonna do today is done by Chunk Zyerith, so I guess I get it right. Either way, you have the link into the description of this video down below to the Instagram profile. Now that being said, we're gonna take aside those cords and we're gonna have this beige one, the longer strand, and we're gonna make the bracelet core for it. So I'm gonna take the ends of a cord and find the center as always, like so. And now from here, let me just zoom a bit. From here we're gonna take this loop and we're gonna form the basic cow's hitch. So we're gonna take the loop and make it around and we're gonna pass those two strands of the same cord through, like so. And now from here we're gonna turn it like this and we're gonna take each side of a cord, the right side, and we're gonna pass it through the loop here and the left one through the loop from the other side. So take the right strand and make it through the loop like so, pull it, and now we're gonna take the left strand and we also gonna make through the loop on the other side or to the other side, like so. So from here we're gonna tighten a bit, but not too much, and we're gonna create the loop where we're gonna pass our stop knot on the end. We can do the diamond or any other lanyard knot, so it's all up to you. Now here we're gonna enter or insert our 3 shorter ends of a beige cord. And now take the ends of those cords and pull it until you reach the center of it. Now we're gonna tie it, cinch it, secure it, and we're gonna continue. Those are the longer ends of a cord, and I'm gonna pull it on the top, and I'm gonna make it on top. Now these are the strands that we're gonna use for the bracelet base or a core. So I'm gonna unzoom a bit, and I'm gonna take the first strand and make it to the end here where I'm gonna secure it. Now we have the 6 strand bracelet core with the 2 working ends, and we're gonna take the brown now and we're gonna find the center of it again by taking the ends and pull. So here is the center, and we're gonna place it like this. And now from here we're gonna simply, let me just zoom a bit, we're gonna simply take this end and make it around, and from the back side through the gap between second and the third core strand from the right side here, and then around, and from the top into the gap again between second and the third bracelet core strands from the right side. And we're gonna pull it. We're gonna tighten it a bit, cinch it, and now we're gonna pass to the left side. So again, around, and from the back side through the gap between second and the third core strand, but this time from the left side. Around, and from the top into the loop, into the gap between second and the third core strand again, but this time from the top side. And we're gonna pull it aside. Now from here I'm gonna take the left and the right paracord, and we're gonna make the cross. So this one here, and then double cross again, and now we're gonna lock this end of a cord. So we're gonna take it and make it into the gap between second and the third core strand, like so, and then under this third core strand of the right side core, and then around and through the loop. Tighten it, and do the same with the left strand. So into the gap between second and the third core strand from the left side, and then around and from the back through the middle, and then through the loop on the left. So this time we're gonna take the right strand of a brown and make it through the middle, like so, and we're gonna do the same. So we're gonna cross it. We're gonna take the left strand of a brown and make it from the back through the middle and to the side, and pull it. Now we're gonna take the right strand cord and we're gonna make it from the back through the gap between second and the third core strand on the right side, and then from the top through that same gap between second and the third core strand, but this time from the top, like so, and to the side. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side, so around and then from the back through the gap between second and the third core strand from this left side, through, and now from the top into the same gap. Like so. Now we're gonna do the crossing of those beige cords. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna cross it once, and then we're gonna cross it twice. And now from here we're gonna entering from the top into the gap between second and the third core strand from the right side, and then around and from the back through the middle, and then through the loop on the right. Now pull it tight, and now from here we're gonna take it and from the top into the gap between second and the third core strand, around and from the back side through the loop on the left. So now here, as you can see, we reached the almost end of today's project. Now as you start the weaves, you continue till the end, and here when you reach almost the end of a bracelet, you'll take these ends of beige paracord or any other color that you're used, and you're gonna pull it back. Let me just detach this from the jig. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you what I was thinking about or saying. So here is the beige color where we're gonna pull it back through here. And from here we're gonna cut off those 2 strands of a brown and 2 strands of a beige. So we finished the weaving process of today's project. Now we are left just to finish it with the stop knot or lanyard knot or any other knot you wish, diamond, etc, etc. Here we have the 3 separate pair of cords, left one, center one and right side one. So the center cords will be the stop knot, and with the other 4 cords we're gonna create the square knot. So we're gonna take the second cord from the left, like so. This is a bracelet, so the second cord from the left. Now with the 4th cord we're gonna make it on top of the second one, like so, as you can see here. And pay attention here, this is the 3rd cord, and it will be we'll need to place it on the 4th cord here, so like this, as you can see. And with the 1st cord we're gonna make it under the 4th one and around, and then under the 2nd one here, like so. Now as you can see we created the square knot. So we're gonna take the needle and we're gonna insert this strand under these 2 strands where they're crossing, so under this X part here, like so, and through. Now we're gonna take this one and make it under these 2 crossing strands, this X here. So from here we're gonna create the diamond stop knot and we're gonna continue. So take this end, twist this side of a cord, and now from here take this left one, make it under the right one, and then pinch a bit so you can insert it like this under. And here we created the carex band. Now we're gonna take it and with the left strand we're gonna make it around and from the back, and here where the cords exit the bracelet we're gonna insert it next to it like so. And now we descend here also around and next to this cord here into the center and pull it. Now I'm gonna cinch it and secure it, the diamond knot. Although you can add a microcord onto the next 1.5 inch from the diamond knot to the bracelet ends or the cord ends. Let's do that. I'm gonna take this black microcord, and this will be enough, about 10 inches. 10 inches will be enough. I'm gonna just melt this end where I cut it off, and from here we're gonna take it and we're gonna make it from the back, like so. And then let me just zoom a bit. So from the back, on top of those two cords, like so, then around, and we're gonna create the basic cobra knot or Solomon weave, as you wish. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like this bracelet. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and as always, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. So that being said, until the next time, wish you just the best, stay safe and be well. See you soon. Bye.